There's some units behind another shopping center. There's a run chute or something. 2022 310. Yeah, run chute. I don't know why it's in the back, the logo, you know. It sounds really nice. Yeah, the spine fan coil. Here's a Heil. Or a temp store or something. Let's see if this one's been on. Oh, it has. Could catch a startup, but I'm not sticking around. Alright, 2022 3 tons. So this is basically the same thing. Hopefully it sounds like they have Alliance. Oh, they have LG. Of course they have LG. Well, here's a few more. Here's a Gibson. Good thing it has a coping scroll. It has not been running. There's a Rude, I believe. $2021, that's a 4-ton. That's warm. That's ice cold. So this thing's working excellent. Here's a Bryant. Emerson Colvin Scroll. 2019 3.5 ton. It's also been running. Oh, that's not good. Suction line, the liquid line is cold for some reason. There's a Frigidaire, looks like. I believe it has a scroll. Yeah, Colton scroll. Has not been running. Data is completely gone. And here are the last two. These are both on. I believe these are Meritherms. Oh, that's pushing out some heat. Ice cold. Oh, that's hot. 2014 5-ton. Here's the last one. LG 2014 5-ton. And yeah, that's about outdoor temperature, and that's ice cold. So yeah, no logo. So that's gonna wrap it up. And I'm just gonna see if that run chute kicked on. Alright guys, so it hasn't kicked on yet. So I'm not sticking around for it, but I will try to get a startup of it at some point. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.